their profound sense of anger, exchange, or handover of human remains in the framework of any. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for being here and to listen to the ICRC. So I visited Gaza yesterday, and I visited the south of Israel today. I have been to this region many times in the past and have seen the fallout of successive outbreaks of hostilities, and each time the suffering and compounded trauma I have witnessed has left me feeling shocked and incredibly sad. People I have spoken with over the past couple of days have once again shared their profound sense of anger, fatigue, hopelessness, and inability to see a better future, especially for the youth and the young people. People in Gaza have very visibly been deeply affected by the latest escalation. With every round of fighting, there are left worse off, livelihood and home ruined once more. They are tired of the talk of resilience. It's a word that simply covers, at the end of the day, the absence of options for people repeatedly forced to cope with what they have left. Population in the Gaza Strip are below 18. They have lived through 4 military operations and countless escalation for most of their lifetime. They need a glimmer of hope, a future to look forward to. In terms of the ICRC's response, I have conveyed to both sides our offer to be a neutral intermediary should there be a negotiated exchange for detainees or human remains. Families have the right to know, to grieve, and to move on with their lives. Our immediate focus, very clearly, humanitarian aid may prevent the collapse of some essential services in Gaza, but it is not a sustainable solution. As we all know, that can only come from genuine political will by all sides. Fundamentally, the recent cycle of hostilities has shown that the Israeli-Palestinian conflict is no closer to a lasting solution. I have a dreaded premonition of coming back here again in the not too distant future and once again repeating these same messages. I only hope that they will never come. My wholehearted wish is really to come back to this region and see communities freed from the fear of